8 Benefits of how ChatGPT transforms social media intelligence with AI. Welcome to our video on 8 Benefits of how ChatGPT transforms social media intelligence with AI. This video will show how ChatGPT can improve your social media strategies with real-time data analysis, customer insights, marketing strategies, and competitive analysis. If you own a small business or want to start one, these benefits can help you better understand social media intelligence. Benefit 1. Real-time data analysis. Real-time data analysis is crucial for businesses to stay updated on current trends and engage with their audience effectively. ChatGPT enables firms to monitor social media platforms actively, identifying emerging discussions and trends in real time. Step-by-step plan. 1. Set up automated alerts. Use ChatGPT's capabilities to set up automated alerts for specific keywords or topics. 2. Analyze trending topics. Monitor the volume and sentiment of conversations to adapt your content and messaging. 3. Engage in relevant conversations. Join discussions promptly to stay relevant and connect with your audience. Lessons learned. 1. Proactivity is key. Proactively monitoring trends helps you anticipate changes and adjust your strategies promptly. 2. Relevance is crucial. Engaging in relevant conversations ensures your content resonates with your audience. Benefit 2. Enhanced customer insights. Understanding customer sentiment and preferences is essential for tailoring effective social media strategies. ChatGPT helps businesses gain deep insights by analyzing extensive social media conversations. Step-by-step plan. 1. Analyze sentiment. Use ChatGPT to track customer sentiment in real time. 2. Personalize interactions. Tailor responses and content based on customer data to enhance engagement. 3. Optimize ad targeting. Utilize AI-generated insights to create targeted ads and relevant content. Lessons learned. 1. Personalization drives engagement. Tailoring interactions based on customer preferences fosters stronger connections. 2. Data-backed decisions are key. Using insights to optimize ad targeting leads to better campaign performance. Benefit 3. Improved marketing strategies. ChatGPT empowers businesses to optimize their marketing strategies by providing AI-generated insights. This enhances ad targeting, content strategy, and overall campaign success. Step-by-step plan. 1. Optimize ad targeting. Analyze customer data to target the right audience effectively. 2. Leverage AI insights. Use AI-generated insights to guide content creation for higher engagement. 3. Refine campaigns. Analyze past campaign performance and make data-driven decisions for future success. Lessons learned. 1. Data-driven decisions pay off. Using AI insights for content strategy leads to more engaging campaigns. 2. Continuous optimization is essential. Regularly refining campaigns based on insights ensures long-term success. Benefit 4. Competitive analysis. Competitive analysis is vital for staying ahead in social media marketing. ChatGPT enables businesses to track competitor strategies, identify growth opportunities, and maintain a unique competitive advantage. Step-by-step plan. 1. Analyze competitor strategies. Use ChatGPT to thoroughly analyze the strategies of your competitors and understand their market positioning. 2. Identify growth opportunities. Uncover gaps in the market and areas for differentiation. 3. Benchmark campaigns. Compare your strategies with competitors and make data-driven optimizations. Lessons learned. 1. Understanding competitors is key. Analyzing competitor strategies helps identify industry trends and opportunities. 2. Differentiation drives success. Standing out from competitors by leveraging insights leads to long-term growth. Benefit 5. Content generation and personalization. ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities empower businesses to create high-quality and engaging content effortlessly. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can receive creative ideas for social media posts, blogs, and newsletters by providing prompts or keywords. Furthermore, ChatGPT empowers the generation of personalized content that caters to various demographics and customer segments, elevating customer engagement and fostering a deeper connection with the brand. Step-by-step plan. 1. Access ChatGPT. Utilize the platform to input your prompts or keywords. 2. Receive content suggestions. Get well-crafted ideas for your social media posts or blogs. 3. Personalize content. Tailor the content according to different audience segments. 4. Engage audience. Share personalized content to enhance engagement and build relationships. Lessons learned. 1. Personalized content resonates better with audiences. 2. Engaging content leads to higher audience interaction. 3. Creating content regularly increases brand exposure. Benefit 6. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT's sentiment analysis capabilities enable brands to understand customer sentiments expressed in social media conversations. By monitoring live discussions, businesses have the power to detect negative sentiments and proactively handle concerns, resulting in successful reputation management and the promotion of a positive brand image. Step-by-step plan. 1. Monitor sentiments. Use ChatGPT to analyze sentiment in social media discussions. 2. Address concerns. Proactively respond to negative sentiments to mitigate reputation damage. 3. Validate user-generated content. Distinguish genuine feedback from spam or fake reviews. 4. Leverage insights. Make informed decisions based on customer sentiments for product development and marketing campaigns. Lessons learned. 1. Implementing proactive sentiment analysis can play a paramount role in safeguarding and preserving the reputation of a brand or organization. 2. Authentic customer feedback enhances credibility. 3. Understanding customer sentiments aids in decision-making. Benefit 7. Brand reputation management. ChatGPT plays a crucial role in brand reputation management by providing accurate sentiment analysis on social media platforms. By responding quickly to emerging issues and sentiments, businesses can maintain a positive brand image and address concerns effectively. Step-by-step plan. 1. Analyze sentiments. Utilize ChatGPT for sentiment analysis on social media platforms. 2. Proactive response. Address negative sentiments promptly to protect brand reputation. 3. Validate feedback. Use ChatGPT to validate user-generated content for authenticity. 4. Data-driven decisions. Make decisions based on customer sentiments to enhance brand credibility. Lessons learned. 1. Timely responses are essential for reputation management. 2. Authentic feedback builds trust with the audience. 3. Data-driven decisions lead to improved brand perception. Benefit 8. Trend analysis. ChatGPT helps businesses predict and track emerging trends by analyzing social media data. Companies can maximize their engagement and reach by adapting their strategies and content to align with popular conversations. This can be achieved by staying ahead of current discussions and topics. Step-by-step plan. 1. Predict trends. Use ChatGPT to forecast emerging topics and trends. 2. Track progress. Monitor the development and impact of trends in real time. 3. Adapt strategies. Adjust marketing strategies based on trending topics to stay relevant. 4. Maximize engagement. Engage in relevant conversations and capitalize on emerging trends for increased impact. Lessons learned. 1. Predicting trends aids in resource allocation. 2. Real-time tracking allows for quick strategy adjustments. 3. Adapting to trends enhances audience engagement and brand visibility. Conclusion. ChatGPT offers small businesses invaluable tools for transforming their social media intelligence strategies. Companies can improve their online presence, connect with their audience, and stay ahead of the competition by using tools on social media for content creation, personalized communication, sentiment analysis, and brand reputation management. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on leveraging AI technologies for business success.